Hi guys, this is Angel and welcome back to my channel. It's the 10th of July. It's my birthday. I literally have no plans whatsoever, but don't mind you, I'm talking, I'm just joking. This wig was styled by my friend, so I decided to check it out today. She delivered this since 2 days ago, but I kept it in the pack. I just brought it out now to see how it's going to turn out. So I'm just going to use foundation here and here. Maybe it gets better. So today I'm going to, I don't know if I've not told you guys, I'm moving to a new place. So I'm going to be moving next tomorrow. So I'm going to do some market runs today. I ordered some rattan vest and a laundry basket and another one for jewelry box. It's going to be delivered on Wednesday. I ordered white duvet and bed sheets too. It's going to be delivered on Wednesday together with the rattan because it's from one vendor. I also ordered pampas grass, which is coming today. That's 10th of July. It's coming today. My sister is at home, so she's going to pick it up for me. And this hair is fine. My hair vendor is All Strands by Benny, my friend. She sells really nice hair. Looks good. So I'm also going to see if I can get a microwave today. Let me just go first. I'll go with the money. If it's more than what I had in mind, then I'll just come back and go some other time. More like a window shopping, Shasha. I'll also get a rug. I'll go and check the price of rug today. And then white curtain for inner. I have a curtain already, but I just want to fix a white curtain as the inner one. Let me see if you guys can see. So my day is going to be pretty busy today. My birthday is tomorrow. I don't really have any plans because I'm moving to a new place and I'm going to be spending money. In fact, not like I've been spending money. I've been spending a lot of money since when I rented the place. I'm also going to paint, so I'm going to get paint today and pay the painter today to go and paint so that on Wednesday I can start moving. I'll clean on Wednesday, then maybe Thursday I'll move in. I even thought I was going to move in on Wednesday. See me, I forget I go clean. Okay, so that's it for the day. Maybe if my items get delivered, I'm going to show you guys. But this house journey, people are going to join me on this journey, because when I finish arranging the house, I'm going to also show you guys what the house looks like, I guess. So that's it for today. If there's any other thing that's going to happen tomorrow, there's no big deal. It's my birthday tomorrow, but who can spend that kind of I don't want to spend any other money that I know that I'm going to regret later. I might just go out with one or two friends, not spending much, because I already have a lot on my table right now. So just wanted to update you guys. Talk to you later. My pampas grass was just delivered. This is what it looks like. It's quite long. I just got two like this. Okay, I think that's it. I also got this gas, 2-burner gas cooker. I told you guys earlier that I was going shopping. This is the stuff for the cylinder, I think. Then the pipe thing, the guy said I can come and get it tomorrow, that the one he had in his shop was finished, so I'm going to get it tomorrow. I already paid for everything, so I'm gonna get it tomorrow. We're making progress, like I said. So yeah, I wasn't able to buy the microwave today. Maybe some other time I'll get the microwave and the plates and pots and other things together, bit by bit. I won't do everything at the same time, right? Hi guys, good morning. Sorry, I used to do YouTube. Good morning. So I got paints yesterday for the house. I'm going to pick up the paint now and also the paint at the same time. So we're going to the new place now. I'm going to update you guys when I get there. Bye.
Hello, good morning from Africa. Calling back Africa. All right, good morning. Never, if you keep telling us what the usual company, oh, we just got their bank out. When customers don't pay their bill regularly, they are shocked.
So we are at the place. So this was when we got to the place, right? And this is what the house looks like before we start painting. That's my painter inside there. The house, like they worked on some things in the house. That's why you can see some sawdust on the ground, something like that. They constructed the new wardrobe for me and a kitchen cabinet. The house did not come with all these things, but I requested for it from the landlord. So yeah, that's it. So here the painter was trying to like remove some old stuff that were here before. He sent me to go and buy a filler so that he could fill the holes before he started painting. So that's the filler that I was coming back with. This, because he already got some before, right? So those ones finished. That was why he sent me to go and get extra. So these are the things he filled. Look at him doing them. All those things on the ground there. He said it was caused by like dampness, like if the place is damp, so to start peeling. So here he started painting. He said he was going to paint 2 times. He will paint the first one and then coat it again the second time. So this was when he was painting the first time, and this is what the house looked like when he was done painting the first round. When at first I didn't like, I was feeling bad at first because the whiteness of the paint was not coming out, but he assured me that when the paint starts drying that I'm going to see the color, it will come out. So at this point I think it started drying, right? So I could see the whiteness popping out. So this was him coating it the second time again, and I stopped at this point. I wasn't feeling the way I was feeling again because like the white was turning to white. So yeah, he painted everywhere and made sure that he did not leave any place untouched. Like if you check up, I don't know, there were some stains up there, so he had to climb again to go and dress it again. So yeah, this is me showing you guys the house when he was done painting, right? So I was just taking a tour around. He was trying to arrange the wardrobe area because that place is kind of tight. So this is the corridor or the passage of the house, and this is what it looks like when he was done painting. So I was going to, in fact, I was going to wash the ceiling, like the PVC of the house, because I don't know if it was cobwebs, but it was looking very dark or something like that. So the next day, my sister and I, we came to clean. We had to, we suffered on this day because there were some paint stains on the ground. So we had to first of all scrape out the paint and all that before we started washing and then mopping the place. This is my sister doing her work. we're very tired at the end of the day, but this is what it looked like when the place dried. Then I was going to like move in the next day, right? So I looked for a van and that was going to take me to the place. So here I forgot to show you guys my rattan vase arrived with together with the white bedspread and duvet. There's another of the vase, but I kept it somewhere around. This is my sister trying to fit the curtain, and then I called one guy. This guy did not tell me that he did not know how to hang this thing. So we're just here struggling for nothing. He was not even a carpenter, but he agreed that he was a carpenter. He lied to me. So that's how we're struggling. He did not even use the right nails and everything. We struggled and struggled and we're not able to do it. When he saw that he could not do it, he now went to go and call the main carpenter that he knew. When the carpenter came, in fact, if you know your work, you know your work. Like when the main carpenter came, he did not even take him 10 minutes because he went to go and buy the right size of nail and everything. So he just fixed it immediately. And this other one was not feeling somehow because he lied to me at first that he was a carpenter. So when the main carpenter came, he fixed the this was the other guy too, still struggling. Now so he like open holes almost everywhere in my house. But yeah, the main carpenter, this was him. He had already hung the first curtain hanger, and this is the second one. So he did it for me, and we hung the curtain. The white part was for the inner one, and then this is what it looks like, in fact. So it was looking very nice. Yeah, I also tried to hang another curtain in between my kitchen, my toilet, and my wardrobe area. So he put another hanger there for me here. This area I hung the other darker curtain there. Then my electrician, there was no bulb in the house at all, so there was just no lamp holder. In fact, my electrician fixed for me, and that was it. So this is a clearer view of the things I ordered earlier, right? I'm going to do a full room tour soon, so make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.